Respected engineers, there was a following query to me for providing guidance on it. Good evening, sir. Can you guide me which standard to refer for MSCB meter? Meter room safety guideline in building for LT and HT consumer, any CA standard to refer. Thus, in this regard, there is a specific regulation formulated by CA. And this regulation is the CA installation and operation of meters regulation number 2006. This regulation is of the year 2006, and as per regulation number 7 of this regarding location of meters, it has directed to refer IS Code of Practice on testing, evaluation, installation of AC electrical meters. This is regarding height, etc., etc. And regulation number 9 of this gives further guidance. Regarding safety of meters, regulation number of this 13 number is more specific. In short, for all purposes of the problem of meter installation, you have to refer the CA installation and operation of meters regulation number 2006, in which full guidance is given. In case any difficulty, I may kindly be contacted back. However, there are other IS codes which give various directives regarding installation heights of energy meters to avoid fires, etc., etc. But this is a special regulation formulated by Central Electricity Authority. Hence, I have given this reference only. For any mistake, kindly guide me, please. Thank you. Myself, Ramdas Khandagade, retired Chief Engineer NCB and National Safety Council member. Kindly subscribe. Thank you.